In this video, I'm going to give you the product walkthrough about HLD and LLD Studio in DevSketches. So I have already explained in depth about LLD workspace as well as HLD workspace for the example of Uber and also food delivery app. I'll put the link in description, so please go and watch. Let's look on a high level about HLD workspace first. As you see in the HLD workspace, we have the Uber, which I have recorded in the last video. So I'm opening the Uber completed workspace. So the first thing, we have the functional requirements. The system will basically infer the functional requirements. You can descope and scope out and ask more functional requirements. Once you're done with functional requirements, you'll go to non-functional requirements and also scale estimations. So this is the most important thing called alignment phase. This is what happens in interviews or like real world when you're building a systems. The next thing is about flows. Based on whatever we aligned, system basically gives the complete flows. Okay, so all the flows across sync and async path and also important actors. So once you're happy with the flows, if you're not happy, you can always ask the system to basically go in depth about the respective flows or a new flow. So once you're done with the flows, the next thing basically based on the flows, system will try to give you API designs. So here it was given the 4 API designs. It will also give a clear request and response and idempotency, like scoping everything. Once you're done with the API design, it will go to the state model. So here if you see for the Uber example, right, it has divided into let's say 4 different states. And finally it will give you the matrix of complete decisions it has taken, right? So once you're happy with the in state model, right? So next final thing is basically architecture. So in this architecture, so it will give you the complete architecture for you. Okay, the complete Uber architecture. You can basically save your architecture. You can ask like, okay, there's some path is unclear, right? It will try to basically patch the architecture as well. So once you're basically good with the architecture, and the next thing basically is about architecture nodes, right? So this is the architecture nodes designed based on the architecture. Once you're done with your architecture nodes, we are done with the first cut, right? But we are not sure that our architecture is correct or not at a scale, and we don't know, right? We haven't pressure testing the architecture. So that's why we have this pressure test. So what exactly this pressure test will do? It will create the scenarios for your given problem statement. So for example, this Uber, right? It has basically taken the happy path, 10x load injection burst, fan out burst, alignment commit slows, and dependency outage. So these are all the 5 pressure tests it has identified for our system. Now we can run the each scenario to check, okay, this is sustaining, or architecture is sustaining or not, or any issues are there. For example, this one, right? This actually it's working fine for the pressure test happy path. So this is the green color, nothing but working fine. So if you go to let's say next one, 10x load injection burst. So okay, this has some bottleneck, so that's why it has basically giving you the orange, and it will give you the red color maybe. That's why it's actually a bottleneck. So from stream fan out service to let's say regional edge gateway, right? That's why it identifies the bottleneck. Whenever it identifies the bottleneck, it also gives you the repairs. What all repairs? First of all, it will give you what is the high issue, and it will give you the repair candidates also, what all things you have to repair. That's where we'll loop the repair loop. So what exactly we do? It will identify these two. We will basically apply, like you can basically work on like architecture nodes and then state model, and then rerun the pressure test that might solve the issue. Or else you can ask the system also to apply the repair of the design. So once the repair basically applied, you can come back to the pressure test, and then you can basically rerun the scenario. So then it will be recovered, or it can basically find the new issue. So likewise, you continuously loop through this architecture, your state model and architecture nodes along with pressure test and repair loop. So along with that, we have artifact section also, where we have the interview responsive answer, where it basically gives you what all things you have to answer while interviewing, right? It's a complete notes it will give based on our design. So this is about complete functionality of HLD workspace. Now in the LLD workspace, let's walk through the example of food delivery ordering system. So in the LLD also, we have let's say alignment path, which is nothing but first understanding the scope, the core requirements and what all things are basically out of scope and what is assumed scope. So next thing, once we have the system, right, then it basically gives you the complete class model. So what all classes it has identified, whether it is entities or value objects or a services, right, all these things it will basically gives you, and its relationships. Once you have aligned on your class model, or you can also ask the system or to basically add some more models or change the methods or like the fields, right. Once you're done with thing, next thing basically is the core flows. So what all core flows, or maybe you can say like whatever flows where user or like delivery person or like other one interact, right. So system will basically infer all these 4 flows. You can try to understand all these things. And then something about concurrency, we'll try to say what all concurrency scenarios will be presented, right, and how can we test these things, all the concurrencies. So next thing basically design choices. So based on our out of scope and based on our state model and concurrency, it will give you the final design choices, final design decisions it is trying to make the system. So once we are basically done with our alignment path, so the next thing basically preparing the code workspace, because LLD is all about execution. So we open the code workspace, it's already prepared. So you can go through the code workspace. So whatever alignment path, it basically gives you the complete workspace, and also the to do part, what you have to do, because it is not like a code generation. It will generate just a boilerplate code and it will ask you what are the flows which you have to implement. For example, asking to implement the add item, validate and calculate line price checkout, right. You can go through, for example, these are the models it has tried to given, and then these are repositories and these are basically services, right. In the services, right, so the checkout service it has given to do which you have to implement, right. In a maybe default pricing service, these are the to dos which you have to implement, right. In the delivery manager, assignment of the order, right, you have to implement, right. So it has gives you the complete code. Maybe you need to basically let's say start implementing, right. You can keep track, you can save your progress, and you can also run the code, right. So depending on the result, right, yeah, so the run was failed because we have not implemented properly, right. So once you're basically done with your code workspace, the next thing basically is a final summary about whatever we have built so far and what is the how this can be taken to the next steps, maybe follow-up questions or like follow-up models, right, or follow-up different kind of problems based on the current problem it can give you. So this is about complete LLD, and this is about complete HLD, right. So these two we are offering as a premium subscription model for only 2000. You can create up to let's say 20 workspaces which can be shared across HLD and LLD, right. This is the overall flow, whereas for HLD you can also review your design. Also you can upload your Excel draw or draw.io or your own images. It can review your design and can improve from there onwards. It will not start from the problem, it will start from your design which you already have, right. So in our plan also you can up to create a 10 HLD architecture screenshots as well, right, to understand and improve your design. So this is the complete studio of offering HLD and LLD, right. There is no fixed set of problems, right, that is the core goal. So for understanding purpose, if you open the HLD, right, we have given you sample problems to start over, right. So and similarly for LLD also we have given sample problems to start over. It's up to you whether you want to modify your question, right. Bring any question, only leave the studio with the perfect solution, right, for your interviews or like for practicing purpose. So that's what DevSketches offer you. So if you feel okay, this will make you to your interviews on the next level, so feel free to subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can contact me in LinkedIn or any other ways also. We'll soon meet in the next videos of further design questions, also further product updates soon. For now, bye bye.